Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, PM Couponer. Today I'll be sharing my Walmart haul containing a whopping 20 Ibotta offers. The reason why I did so many today was because I had these two Ibotta bonuses. The Weekend Warrior bonus was $5 for redeeming 10 offers, and I only needed 18 more offers to complete the Surfs Up Savings bonus to receive an additional $10. Plus, on Saturday morning, I received this summer surprise bonus for $7 back when you redeem 30 offers. So check your Ibotta accounts to see if you received any of these amazing bonuses. The Caesar wet dog food is priced at $1.14. Grab 6, totaling $6.84. Ibotta is giving back $3 when you purchase 6. Shopkick is giving back 100 kicks, which is equivalent to 40 cents with a limit of 10. And Swagbucks has this offer for $1 back when you purchase 6. After all those rebates, your total comes down to just 44 cents for all 6 or 7 cents each. The Life Water is priced at $1.98. Ibotta is giving back $1, making this just 98 cents. The Lunchables are priced at $1.96. Ibotta is giving back 25 cents. Plus, Shopkick is giving back 175 kicks, or 40 cents, making one of these just $1.01. Both the Ibotta and Shopkick offers are a limit of 5. The Knoppers are priced at $3.66. Grab 2, which will total $7.32. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta to get 75 cents back for each one. Plus, Swagbucks is giving back $2.50 when you purchase 2. And Shopkick has this offer, giving back 500 kicks, which is equivalent to $2 with a limit of 2. So you get $4 back from Shopkick, making both of these a 68-cent moneymaker. The ROCKSTAR energy drinks are priced at $1.88. Grab any 2, totaling $3.76. Then submit your receipt to this rebate. That'll give you back $5 for purchasing 2, making both of these a $1.24 moneymaker. The Crest toothpaste is priced at $3.97. This particular flavor is attaching to 2 Ibotta rebates, each one for $2, making this a 3-cent moneymaker. The Persil Ultra Packs are still on rollback for $4.77. I was able to find more of these $2 Peely coupons. These were found on the bigger liquid detergent bottles, but it works on any Persil item. So if you find one coupon, use that and you'll pay $2.77. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta to get $2 and to Fetch to get $1.75 back, making this bag a 98-cent moneymaker. I was able to find a couple of coupons, so I grabbed 2 bags, which ended up being a $1.96 moneymaker. If you're not able to find any of the Peely coupons, but you have both the Ibotta and Fetch offers, your total will be $1.02, which is still not a bad deal for Persil. The 20-ounce bottle of Palmolive is priced at $2.82. Ibotta is giving back $1.50, and Swagbucks is giving back 75 cents, making this just 57 cents. The Swiffer wet cloths are priced at $5.44. Ibotta is giving back $2, making this just $3.44. This twin pack of Huggies Skin Essentials wipes is priced at $6.77. Ibotta is giving back $1. Shopmium is also giving back $1. Shopkick is giving back $1.40. And Swagbucks has this offer for $1.25 back. Thanks to those 4 rebates, this twin pack comes down to just $2.12. So as always, checking the clearance section is a must-do. And I found these Tommy Tippy Sippy Cups on clearance for just $4. And Ibotta has a rebate that gives you back $2, making this just $2. And I also found all of these items in the clearance section. So these toddler bedding sets were priced at just $12. The original price was $39.97. I thought that was a super amazing deal. I'm going to be saving these to give away for Christmas. I also found these baby blankets, priced from $1.80 to $3. And this L's protein shake powder for kids was on clearance for just $10, and Shopkick is giving back 1,400 kicks, which is equivalent to $5.60, making this just $4.40. So this is everything I picked up at Walmart today. I was originally planning to only complete 18 offers, but I went a little overboard and completed 20 offers. So that means I only need 10 more offers to complete the summer surprise bonus. So that should be really simple to do. So the subtotal for everything came up to $66.20. But I got back $23.35 from Ibotta. And because I finished 2 bonuses, I received an additional $15. So that's $38.35 back from Ibotta, plus $10.60 from Shopkick, $1 from Shopmium, $6.50 from Swagbucks, $3.50 from Sketchy Fetchy, and $5 for the ROCKSTAR rebate. So after all those rebates, the final total for everything here was just $1.25 or 5 cents per item. So I'm especially thankful for those 2 Ibotta bonuses that made this final total so amazing. Thank you, Lord, for letting us have the knowledge of knowing how to save money, especially during times like these. If you guys are new to any of the rebate apps mentioned in this video, I will have the link to each one in the description. And here's the complete breakdown for you guys. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more money saving content. God bless.